Whole Till Audio is a boutique hi-fi audio workshop located in Lawrence, Massachusetts. We restore, design, build, and install hi-fi audio equipment for consumer clients as well as restaurant and retail clients. We're trying to make music in a restaurant or retail environment a little bit more of a part of the ambiance and kind of feeling of the place that you're in, to give it really a sense of place. And that's become really important. We do a lot of our own builds in-house. We actually design and build our own line of speakers right here in our workshop in Lawrence. We were very particular in the design to try to pick a material to build from that was going to be durable, that was going to have great sonic characteristics, and also be sustainable. We chose to use Roseburg's Medex product for our builds because it matches all those qualities. It's a very durable, very high density material. And what that means for us is that we get great sonic characteristics. It's an inert wood material. It's easy to cut. It's easy for us to work with. And it really delivers all of the promises that we need for our customers to give them a finished product that they're going to be proud of, to enjoy listening to, but also enjoy looking at the end of the day. The Medex product is a formaldehyde-free, low VOC, highly recycled content type product. And we love working with that, again, because our sustainability mindset really fits with that type of product. Being stable, not being super absorbent of moisture is really important to make sure we have a nice solid surface to work from, where we can build our systems and give our customers the best possible product.